Hello everyone and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this absolutely stunning Polo style we've currently got for sale, finished in the gorgeous vibrant violet metallic paintwork. So it features the 1 litre TSI petrol engine producing 95 PS and that's mounted to a 5-speed manual gearbox as well. Being an approved used car from ourselves, we'll get you 2 years warranty, 2 years roadside assistance, 2 years MOT cover and much more. But if you need any more information throughout the video, please call us on 01270 864 452. So at the front there you've got your full LED headlights providing fantastic vision in all conditions, and down the side of the car you've got these gorgeous 16-inch Palermo alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly. You can see your IQ badging just on the headlight there. You get power folding and heated wing mirrors to the side for extra convenience, as well as optionally fitted privacy guards which is 65% tint from the B pillar backwards. Jumping into the rear of the vehicle, you've got the cream headline and it helps brighten up the interior. And these lovely pattern cloth seats there as well, with the two-tone, so it's ISOFIX points on the outer seats. The rear passengers are more than happy in the back there with a couple of power outlets so they can charge their devices, and a little bit of storage in the back of the front seats as well for any magazines or iPads. Just move on to the rear of the vehicle, you have a generous amount of boot space on offer with the adjustable boot floor currently in its lowest setting. You have 60/40 split folding seats also on offer, so plenty of room for multiple large suitcases there. So there's your tyre repair kit and a little bit of storage just under the boot floor. You do get front and rear parking sensors fitted as standard, making it nice and easy to park up. You've got total peace of mind there. And just jumping into the front of the vehicle now, just give you a closer look at those lovely seats. You've got your lumbar support on offer, as well as that armrest there, so you can really get nice and comfortable even on those longer journeys. You've got a touchscreen infotainment system, as well as a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel also on offer. That concludes the 360 walk around. I'm just going to jump behind the wheel at the moment and go through some interior features. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you do click the button below for more content. Just behind the wheel now on the left hand side you've got your volume controls, your adaptive cruise control settings, as well as your assistance systems on board such as your lane assist. And on the right hand side controls all information on this beautiful digital display, which is fully customizable depending on what information you want to view. You can have all your stats and navigation maps data there, and your different driving data such as your range, miles per gallon and much more. So a fantastic screen, a nice clear layout and easy to read. Just move on to a fantastic infotainment screen. It's got gesture control there, it's got digital radio, so plenty of storage for your favourite radio stations. You've got a huge range of options to choose from the DAB station list as well to keep you entertained on the move. Got multiple media inputs on offer, a couple of USB ports dotted around the cabin, and of course your Bluetooth connectivity for your phone calls and also music streaming. You've got sat navigation on board for those unfamiliar journeys with spoken instructions. It will also show you points of interest such as petrol stations, car parks, restaurants and much more. So a fantastic system and nice and easy to use as well. Alongside this you've got the brilliant App Connect system giving you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And this allows you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. Park distance control screen there with audible warnings and guidelines. A little bit further down the cabin, you've got jaws and climate control now, standard item. So fantastic, nice and easy to use whilst driving. You can just set your temperature and leave it in auto. And just below there you do have a couple of USB ports and a little bit of storage, you can charge multiple devices on the go. Couple of cup holders running down the centre and a little bit of storage under that armrest as well for any valuables you might want to keep out of sight. So a fantastically well equipped car, this Polo style. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this car or would like to book in for a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team on 01270 864 452. They'll be more than happy to assist further. Don't forget to ask about our flexible finance options on this car as well. Once again, thanks very much for watching and take care.